Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Chloe. It's a glorious day to be a Panther.
Today in sporting news, our boys tennis team will travel to Satellite High School today, and their matches will begin at 4 p.m.
Our boys JV baseball team will compete against Titusville High School today here at home beginning at 6 p.m.
The girls JV softball team will play Mary Island Christian today at 5:15.
Following this JV game, the girls varsity team will also compete against Mary Island Christian, and this game will begin at 7:15 p.m.
Lots of luck to all our Panther sports teams today.
Students and staff, if you are not already attending any of the sporting events, come back to Heritage tonight and enjoy a chorus concert at 7 p.m.
Attention! Seniors who have not met the reading or math graduation requirement should register now for the March 9th SIT and April 13th ACT.
If you are on free or reduced lunch, see Ms. Jameer for ACT waivers. SAT waivers should already be in your College Board account.
The SIT is now digital. That means you can bring your own device. After registering, download the Blue Book app and start exploring. The week before your test, they'll email you a reminder to complete a short exam set up in the app before you can print your admission.
Seniors taking these tests, make sure you are using Khan Academy's SAT prep so you can earn concordant scores.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!